Hello and welcome Forex traders. Steve here with tradingforexforprofit.com. Today is September 24th, 2014, and we are looking at the US dollar, Singapore dollar on the daily time frame. Okay, and I've opened a buy order following this break check pattern that's formed right here at resistance. All right, so as the market pushes to the upside here, you can see that we stall out. All right, we stall right here, establishing a level of resistance. Let me zoom out. Okay, this is also a significant level from back a little ways. All right, so the market stalls out, establishing this level before breaking right through it with this large body candle that's greater in size than all of these preceding it. All right, as we pull back to retest and possibly break down below this zone, this level, the market engulfs that attempt. And I entered on the retrace on this candle actually this morning, okay, before the market closed. The market's already closed today, and we've closed this candle and started a new one. I was actually in on this black candle before it, early in the morning. Okay, so this is a break check because we establish a level, we break through, and then we immediately check it with this bullish engulfing signal. Okay, our 2 times profit target was reached, and this preceded the close of the market on Friday by just a couple of hours. Let me zoom into the 15-minute chart here so you can see. I put a line here at the profit target at 1.2749. It looks like the market went just a couple of pips above that. So, however, looking at the rejection on the 20 EMA on the 15-minute, and also let me zoom out on the daily chart here for you to the actual target. This zone right here, we're not anywhere near that yet. Alright, so what I've done is taken the recent bounce right here, the swing high right here, I've made that my zone. This is where I want to keep the 2 times profit target at or near or below, rather. Okay, so that when this is retested, we don't care at that point whether we fall off to the downside or continue on to the upside. So being able to find a trade with this significance right here and be able to take profit well below that zone, that's a fantastic opportunity. I hope you guys got traded that, were able to trade that, you saw that. And if you look at this congestion, I don't believe I zoomed out this far when I first filmed this, but if you look at this area right through here where we have this bounce, here's another bounce, here's a attempt back down, it's an inside break check right here. Okay, so there's almost an engulfing signal, all this bounce, this hesitation. Here's a giant candle breaking down through this level. Look what happens here. There's a large body candle, here's another large body candle, and again another large body candle. When you see these large body candles break through a level, that reinforces the fact that that is an area that traders are watching. Okay, because when they really move the market through a level, they're watching that level. Okay, so when it returns to this level, look what happens. Let's zoom back in so that you can see this one more time. Okay, we stall out right here. We start experiencing these wicks, which is showing rejection. Here's an engulfing. However, we've just basically established a level. We haven't bounced and returned to it. That's why I don't trade this. Okay, so here's the break, large bodied candle. We pull back, there's the engulfing. Somewhere in here on the retrace, if you were lucky enough to get in what I did, or in a better price, because there was a lot of opportunity to get a better price on this, you would have already been out. And like I said, I exited by merely a pip. However, I think when the market opens, I think you're going to see that regardless of what it does on open, I think it's going to continue to move to the upside and revisit, zoom out again, this level right here. Okay, so just another example of the break check pattern, how powerful it is. Stop by, check us out. We have a free course at tradingforexforprofit.com, and take advantage of that.